5 simple yet fun spice storage ideas. 1. Custom spice storage drawers. If you have a knack for woodwork, then you will absolutely love this idea. One problem when keeping bottles in drawers is that they might roll against one another. So, with a few strips of wood trim and some glue, this problem will be solved. Use the quarter-round baseboard trim to cradle the neck and the L-shaped corner piece to hold the bottom of the jar. Glue the strips onto the bottom of the drawer. They need to be pressed down with a brick until they are completely dry. 2. Economical spice racks. There is no reason why you shouldn't try to make a drawer shelf. This one is extremely cheap for one you can get this. Thought's good news for people who tend to be thrifty, and you won't have to clean it. Bend the little legs as flat as you can, then bend up the one side at the 4th wire with needle nose pliers. You need to skip one wire and bend the other side up. If you want larger spice storages, then skip 2 wires to make them wider at the bottom. Bend up the other side like before. Hang these racks with screws that have a large head on them anywhere you want. Choose a convenient spot that is within your reach when cooking. 3. Magnetic boards. With the help of magnets, you can stick your herb and spice jars or containers anywhere and save some space, especially if you have a small kitchen. Your cabinets and drawers are already full. Stick your spice and herbs containers on the fridge door, on the back of your pantry door, or under the shelf. Attach your board anywhere you want and arrange your containers however you like. 4. Tic-tac for your spice rack. This one is the easiest and simplest way for you to stash your spices. Don't throw your tic-tac containers in the trash can. Collect them and use them to store your spices and herbs. Moreover, they are really convenient to bring along to camping. You have to admit this one is a really simple yet fun spice storage idea. 5. Food holders. With cabinet clips, you can repurpose these little things here to store your spice and herb jars. Not only will this storage keep your jars neatly organized, but also prevent them from being cluttered. Just attach them to the inside of your pantry door, and you got yourself a new space-saving spice storage. Unlike wooden shelves that need thorough cleaning at regular intervals, this one is way easier to clean. These are all really simple yet fun spice storage ideas that don't take a lot of your time and money.